A day after Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that the state's finance department strongly recommends accepting REC's distribution franchisee proposal, UDP President Metba Lyngdoh stated that the state government should be cautious before making the decision. It may be mentioned that the cabinet is still deliberating the matter and no decision has been taken as of yet. The UDP president stressed that whatever decision the government makes should be in the interest of MECL and its employees, in the interest of the state government and of the people of the state as a whole.
As far as my understanding is concerned, I'm sure that the government is working out to find a solution that how the reform of MECL is taking place. That is one aspect. I have to take it on a positive note from myself. In that process, sometimes there are different options, there are different ways which comes along the way before you take the decisions. So whatever decisions that the government has to take, it has to keep in mind that number one, the interest of the corporation, number two, the interest of the people who are working in the corporation, number three is for the interest of the government, and number four, which I feel is the first, the interest of the people and the state as a whole. These are the three, criteria which the government, whenever it takes any decision, it has to keep in mind to take all those into considerations. So I feel that as far as this distribution franchisee, maybe some proposals have come from those agencies which they feel that a franchisee can be the option for the government to advise the MECL to go in that manner. I understand that the funding agency, which is the REC, is looking for 100% guarantee or a budgetary proposal which has to be in place that the government should keep, every year, which I understand that around 120 crores every year they have to repay as far as the loan is concerned. And I think which they have the moratorium about 3 years. Post 3 years, maybe I think around 300 crores and all. So taking that loan, is that the final solution for the reforms of MECL? Well, I see there's a little bit of gray area there. So the government has to examine properly before they take such a kind of decisions. Because if they go for a franchisee, the fate of those employees who are there will be a big question. And in return, the MECL will have another burden over a burden that they have already. So I feel that is what the government has to examine as far as this matter is concerned, with a lot of constraints that they have to take before they take a final call on this one. So for my side, I feel that as far as this franchisee is concerned, the government should relook into it, and I think the matter is really a very, very crucial way, and matter has to be very serious. So I've been meeting with Chief Minister also, we have discussed about this, and I've been meeting different groups, different organizations from time to time. So every views and opinions has to be taken into consideration, and then giving you the clear picture about what the decision that you want to take as far as the reform of MECL. Because this is very long pending issue. In fact, now what we inherited right from the past. So these things we have to stop at any point of view. And I think the government will find out a way for this.